Constantino drops it back with De Paul. And Argentina have to patiently bide their time on the ball once again. A position they're well used to, in fairness. It's not that many teams that would perhaps look to come to the Monumental and go toe-to-toe with Argentina. So breaking down congested low blocks, something that Lionel Scaloni's side have got him pretty well used to do. De Paul. Back with Almada. Tagliafico's got a bit of space. Decides not to cross those. Not a huge amount's way, Matt, in fairness. De Paul leaves it. Messi runs onto it. Blocked by the feet of Makoun. Drop of the shoulder from Messi, buys him some space. A weighted pass out wide for Tagliafico. Almada back to Messi. Well, Argentina use the width of the field, but it's not very often that you see either Tagliafico or Molina when they make that overlapping run. Even in space, look to put a first-time ball across the 18-yard box. 90% of the time seems to be the option to cut back and keep the ball in the feet with the short passes and find another way into the penalty area. This time the Tagliafico cross is blocked. It goes behind for a corner. In fairness to the fullbacks, it is a somewhat diminutive attack for Argentina. Julian Alvarez is the 9, but not the traditional number 9 in the kind of striker who will go and attack across and beat a centre-back in the air, like maybe number 9s of old, the likes of Batistuta or Crespo. That's a free kick. Going the way of Romo. Uruguay now 2-0 up against Peru in Montevideo, where Jorge Andrés Arrascaeta has just doubled the lead for La Celeste. And in turn booking their place at the World Cup and ensuring Peru and their very, very slender chances before this week are over. Two changes coming up for Venezuela's Jefferson Soltero and Josef Martinez coming on for the visitors. Making their way off is going to be Miguel Navarro. The left back. And as we understand it, Salomon Rondon will be the other to come off for Martinez. Difficult night for Rondon back at the Monumental, where he endured some difficult nights for River in relatively recent memory before he departed for Mexican football. Now, of course, at Real Oviedo, replaced just before the hour mark here by Josef Martinez, now applying his stride at San Jose Earthquakes. Messi. Still going. Messi runs into the challenge of Aramburu in the end. But Argentina still coming forward.